popular everywhere you go. Mama na we competition, na competition. If you look for me, equal na we competition. Equal na we competition. Yeah, man. Equal na we competition. Yeah, man. I'm zero competition with no one. Yeah, man. I want more my way competition. Yeah, man. If you look for me, yeah, man. Equal na we competition, na competition. If you look for me, equal na we competition. Who are we in my setting? Competition. Who are we in my setting? Competition. What you go to in my setting there? Competition. Who are you go? Me my job. Competition. Who are on top? Me my job. Competition. Who are you go? Me my job. Competition. Who are your mama? Me my job. Competition. Equal my way competition. Yeah, man. So I go out and I do a girl on my head. So I do go to I do a girl on my head. So I mother and I do a girl on my head. So I go them, I do a girl on my head. So I be more beer than I do a girl on my head. So I get away from them, I do a girl on my head. So I be a bit never will go, I do a girl on my head. Hey yo, brother sister. Hey yo, I'm a mama radio. Where's I think I'm a paper yes, not your kid, you do your 10 years. Where's I think I'm someone up here, not your kiss swap here, or you give your bass when. Where's I think I'm promoter, not your kiss swap, or you get your kiss when. Here I'm for you, say I'm your back home. I say, no, say I'm your home. Sasa mi wukuto, sasa ya mi wuwa, sasa ino, sasa ya mi wodafe. Equal na we competition, yeah man. Equal na we competition, yeah man. I'm zero competition with no one, yeah man. I want more of my way competition, yeah man. If you do for me, yeah man. When I come on there, where you're not my me, we're not my me, ever come on, no me. If you never, no dada my mona, if I'm anywhere, we're no, Ese no way. I hope you know, everybody no man. I don't know, come on, yeah, my plantation, and my mona, a competition. Set you welcome. No matter you, yeah, no sano kwa. Never go maropa. Uya de idahosa. No dema pona. A competition. Equal our competition. Yeah, man. Equal our competition. Yeah, man. I'm zero competition with no one. Yeah, man. I'm more of my way competition. Yeah, man. If you come and we will be here. Yeah, man. Who are we in my setting?
Hey, competition.
Who are in my setting? Hey, competition. What you go to in my setting? Hey, competition. Who are you? We go in my age. Hey, competition. Who are in my age? Competition. Where are you? See me my area. Competition. Who are your mama? See me my area. Competition. Equal my way competition. Yeah, man. See that? Opasa Koba. Apata Joshua. Oh yeah, we got no problem.
Dollar Wahala. Good morning, Mama. How you doing? I bet me on fair. I go where they go. If I don't do this live video, at the end of the live video, they move. So if I dey chop, I go dey talk. So the near you do more talk. Yeah, you got here with then you work on you work baby. No, I'm not very. If I dey eat, I will dey talk. Once it's 10, I don't end live video. I dey come on. If you see I don't already even wear shoe. I don't wear shoe put for ground. I just set put for ground. If I don't do the live video, what I go? My people, I don't go on. Becky. Oh, sorry. You're not be Becky again. Sorry. University of Red Rock. Welcome home. Kevin. Ah, you see better Toto. Toto what they do? No giame, no wa giame no ro. E we wa miemu. No wa gbela mekua. E we miemu. Kevin, your papa, your mama are being the social media na elegbewi. Becky bega to wena. You see how your life ended. You dey come ask you bega you where they eat for plate otoeka we na iye. For France to Italy. For Italy now to Germany. Germany we are now deporting now. No geru where your godfather and you wa. No give you wa ba me deportation on gisunu be Germany. No give you wa una zumba una are Germany ba me kia ba me bola because of bola you go Germany. You abandon your children. You abandon your own pikin for Roma. They put pikin down, they put man down. You choose bola over your pikin. Eruhu Ooo Ese. When you go date the spirit, you want to belong, you want to date serious relationship area where woman wey don't serious man not get wetin they inside do. Woman wey not they bring to the table, man not get wetin they inside do. You understand? And you fit to say me, what they bring for the table, my guy. Many things there why they bring for the table, not be everything that they do talk for social media. You can never know my secrets. You understand me so? You can never know. If not the one where I talk come on for social media, and I don't want you know rich. You understand? Man needs something. Man doesn't need liability. Man don't need woman where they house. Depend on man. You come out, you beg for social media. Even no get your godfather. Even come out for social media say, Ipiki, man, I donate money for Ipiki, no. Me do na bego. You want carry Ipiki come for Nigeria, oh. Everything already. Now the only money we want to carry the Ipiki come abroad. Now I call remain. People come begin they donate, give her. As they donate, give her finish. At the end of the day, he goes and do introduction with man. Becky, I tell you. Any woman will bring money come and make man take put money for his head, he know the last. Yes, and the man will disrespect you. You begging on social media to do introduction. My dear, me, I don't already know so that marriage not go last. That relationship will not last. If a man really love you, my guy, he go sweat in yash. He go work to go pay your bride price. Or you go walk, they go do introduction. I swear with my life today, I don't know how my husband do my introduction. Ask. My introduction, my mama they talk and say be like marriage. But I did not spend my dime. The money did that time because why? With the said drug. You understand me so? With the say, but he do what woman they supposed to do, not be saying on my mind. How can you be woman come out for social media beg one give us a year there to do marriage introduction? How that marriage want to work? Man go see you finish, you go pour you spit. Una see the quarrel that day now in this value. I wish that he easy money, my guy, you no go both throw away you for outside. You no go both say yeah, come out for my ass I don't want. If na him own sweat, you go remember when he take work, get that money, we take do that introduction. And as they talk for this social media, may any woman not support his husband when it come to marriage issue. That is your pride as a woman. That is your pride as a woman. Now you know whether you go tifo, Whether anyhow you want to do and make it go do and make it go pay your bride price. Don't contribute. The only thing as a woman need to assist, now they organize to make everything they okay. You go see the ask that your man money. Don't contribute. You get what the woman they contribute puts. If you support your husband for ask choice, expense or as the builders, if you contribute, but when it come to your bride price, my dear, don't even think with her. Make it go down so that if you want to pursue you, come up for us, or he say you don't want again, you go remember the money when you spend for your marriage. But so lucky, fortunately, now Becky, now I go beg in and papa, which is enoge. Now the guy that beg for social media when they go do introduction. What a shame. Only we need the introduction on married Daniel Becky. You don't have many months they wait to leave your husband to be. Your husband, how many months they who made it say 1 year? Who what that you eh? Mama, that one. Kevin, if you dare today, the next day, Kevin, Becky, all we care. I know so you don't go marry him. That is the facts. With a woman, you be what you are. I want to talk it. I want to rap. Oh, get no wrong. Evil or wrong. Oh, no, borrow. No fear, baby. Oh, Kevin. Becky not tell you say all ye gas for land. Matama where all ye gas for land. Afa wana rejemi. Kevin we be o wanoro. Uwe for. Uwe zwa egbe wena na family wena no ogun to gbiyan ya be na ogun to gbe family we ya se gbe ku ye no rowa Becky at the end of the day una are torino you are your husband to be una get quarrel you pass off your things you come back and go Torino u back are Torino una se so aye owo saya de no zwa. At the end of the day, they can go see you for Jamie. You go your grandfather birthday. You go your grandfather birthday. At the end of the day, one will be Eddie. Why you momo fee? I don't know, say, woman did this life. Where value bola pass your own children. Erika no mo kobe lipiana or you piano ya mufi na mu gije wo wa. You want to continue again? Ube de gbe bi omo be again. Na amune erade eroma when you are Jamie salekia you don't even think about the picking future it's not my business so if you know if you value your own picking money ilo ama hide the value we who no let you wa oh who deny me. If your mama no fit, but you they shout that they set your picky, then they set your picky, and then they use your picky, then they play, and then they use your picky, then they play. You know they use your picky play, but you choose bola over your daughter. Ogun omyege yagbo weni yegbo. Ogun omyege yagbe yegbo. Now more than I they look poor eye for children body, not be man. Before your papa proper Becky make up. Your picky go for ground, go die. Just because you are careless. Your picky deserve to go rest forever. Because if mama is useless and father is useless. If you can choose Bola over your own daughter, the child is supposed to die. No, you are less and no, but I may go rest because my mother is giving me stress. That is it. My mother is giving me stress. If you're that guy whether they call curvy, he really love you, then you say me he no want picky for your life. Una momona amugira. Then what do he love you for? What did the man call? What did Kev call love you for? Man not picky not there with you. Say I wouldn't mama gera, I want gele mugira. When I got wake here, when you're when you have a social media, Oh, you're not see. When my husband toast me, not be my mouth. I tell her say I get 2 soldiers and no butter. I dey talking for this social media, but I live my own. I get 2 children, and my husband is caring, up to date. If you don't love me because I can't born 2 children for you, you can't say the promise where you promise me while I dey single. You can't tell me say you know you come fulfill the promise. My husband fulfill the promise. I be pikin dey go school and he dey spend money. That is how to know a man who truly love his wife. When you love your wife, you love your children. When he love you, he love your children. My husband, they pay my son money for school. You understand? That's how to know a man who's truly love you. If you don't love my children, my guy, you don't love me, you are your own. Ojo for you. Me and my husband get quarrel yesterday night. Yesterday evening, I make me know enter live video. Me and the I said, guy, ma, if you marry don't tire you, farewell. I dey tell her, I dey tell her, I not be woman like your papa yanya. He knows if you leave me to do I not go suffer. My hustle continue. Now my phone until they make my call. I not be liability for inside. You might look at me as house arrest, but I'm not liability inside. I'm not liability inside. In one winner at the work. You understand me? So Becky, for you to choose man over your daughter, choose Bola over your daughter, and this man no even think say Becky, University of Road Work. How far you get picky? Where your picky? You need that picky need to dey where you dey. If you where you dey, never Jamie now you are more worried. That is what you are planning. Where you dey, never Jamie for ne who you are more worried. And proper papa and enemy no carry that picky give her because they will go and shop at the road for Jamie. They collect the benefit for here and Kevin till they eat. Before the Becky or Koseki want decide to get belly for her. I'm telling you, 2 picky got the big money. That is the reason why I don't get your boss catapult for grand. Because the one we born, made the shop government money. Now I know what they be and not they give you what. And not get not the slippers because the deportation don't start. If I don't give you Becky, when I una igare Jamie, una isomu ayeroma. Then how do you love your children? You get what I want to go do. They go say they need my pikin results. And they say they need my pikin result. I go to their school. They say they're not to give result for their school. Now where they for the register for B poster, go one school where they there. Now there I go. I have to go there. As I reach there, they give me the certificate of my pikin, which is my daughter. Where the school where they go before I go enter primary. I need to go collect because I never even bother to go collect the certificate. Now they can't need that. Now it's okay. As they need the certificate, we not get them. Now I go. Now I can imagine myself say, Becky children know they go school. Becky children know they go school. Pikin no go school. Then this certificate where they talk about, how you want to bring out for a pikin if they need that? Becky just choose Bola over a pikin. Then you call it and say, why did they insult your pikin? Your pikin, they baby, they insult your pikin. My day he doesn't love your children. I think they tell my husband today, say, if me, I know the kind my pikin give you, the kind lose guard, why lose guard? For the first man, when he carry pikin from my hand, this time around, I'm not going to leave my pikin for you. I dey tell my husband, me, and you there, you just bar, if they see I know where I cannot, no, or not too good, oh, young. I can't do that. When I'm mad, when I so more, no, yeah, when I got lekia, when I got bomb here. Woman, I let road walk. Who will you're just a useless woman. That means If you not sick, but me and my husband they did this as 3 months we know they meet each other. My wake here, when I wake here, but we are okay, we are good. We are good. Everything is not about sex. But we're not with the Kia. Una abandon of you where. And now, how do you feel? Now, I want to ask you now. Do you know how your daughter feel? The way woman they take care of Pekin, it's different the way man they take care of Pekin. That is a fact. I can never lose my children for any man. Agbeleboa. When I did Nigeria, I'm not wise. When I didn't leave my Pekin, I don't leave my Pekin. I collect her from my hand with tricky way. But God was so kind. When my Pekin reached 18 years, he tell Papa, say, God, day, I want to go meet my mama. My Pekin will find me. And really, he there with me. He there with me. Because why? The way Papa take collect that children from my hand, because I don't get back up. My parents safe. Now the evil worst pass. That is the reason why the man who I born for Nigeria get the opportunity to useless me anyhow. Marriage abuse. If I come and go meet my mama, you go say, go now, your papa, your mama, don't see pursue you, go back. They love you, they don't love you. The man can't use the opportunity to they molest me, abuse of marriage. Because he knows, say, my parents, they never value me. They don't value me. That's what the boy, and the boy not going to use and say, this man not value me, my parents not value me. Make it draw me, say, I me can be, but it cause they give me abuse of marriage. Hope he say, I not get anybody will go at me. But God was so kind. He see me for Libya. He see me for abroad. Things turn around. Emila no meruru. Osalobwa or binane. You understand me so? But my children, I did that Libya, I not get rest of mine. Now, basically, the investment say, you need to be strong for your children. And really, that harvest, it helped me today. If I not that strong, I didn't live like this. You know, no, carry HIV. How? Because of my Pekin. I'm not fit. Imagine over here. How you take the fit Becky? You get mad though for all abroad. We suffer not there. You follow over your daughter. If I tell you my own, ask for Libya. Now Sharon, now be my name for Libya. Ask una Shema for Asti. You know say my name. Even when I dey cook for camp. Somebody for Libya will know me. When he see me, he say, Sharon. I look, I smile. Now, dear, go on for no say my name na Sharon. Eyar you van the Libya. Eyar yeni the Libya Sharon. Nobody know. I said they know me for abroad. But person wey know me for Libya see me. For the camp where me for the cook for thousands of people, he shouts my name. Even go one where be the chairman of union. He was a security for that camp. When he see me, he says Sharon. I say I look like this now. I tell her, shh, my name not be Sharon. My real name na Ese, because they don't know my real name for Libya. Now let go one with me. No say. Even when I tell the guy, say, shut up. I don't want to ask abroad, no, say, na the name be that one. Now let me go on. Now I know, say, Sharon, how they call me. Because if for present, make sure my name. I be like skeleton, I be like person who carry HIV. I swear for Libya. Because of my children. 2 children, we got to bless me. I did think about them. Nowhere to send money for Libya. But the money there. How I want to send the money. That is number 1. I want sick. And the man where they follow. Na liability. I be hairdresser, I get stuff for Lagos. Now when I come on, I the man where I bought for go sell my property for Lagos. As I don't come on, she said that he can throw me away and I will come back. He go throw me away, I will come back because I not get any place to stay. But the last time when he can't do one, I not come back again and turn my way. He said all my things, rollers, waiting at everything, say everything. But I see the weight, my picking. In my TV, yeah. Sharon, what did they beat you? My children, my dear. You don't need to cry. You need to hustle to make your children proud. People advise me. I say time. What did they think? The man not get any handwork. Now me they walk. Now me they pay us rent. Now me they pay only dara to 200. How this man want to take care of my children in a year? I carry my children go give my mama. My mama pursue me with picky go back today. Because he say I dey abroad. Of my door. Now you want to like to carry my pikin. Because I feel safe my pikin then with my mother will be safe. Because the man no say that one normal. I will still come back. As this man you sense collect pikin from my hand. I move. I said I will never go back to that man again. You know, several times. He don't pass 100 times with that man, the abuse of marriage. I wish my mama stand gidigba, my papa stand gidigba. That man for not do me anyhow. No. Becky, oh, we bo. Favero, you can give your picky food. Tero, you can give your picky food. You leave her for man. What a shame. What a shame! Oh, more SUZY. When I reach abroad, God come make me come reach abroad, my dear. My children not suffer again. For Libya, I no will lie, you are not send dime because nowhere to send money. If I ever carry money at abroad, Libya money, dollar, cut all of them. Libya money, I don't know. I wish I know I for cut all of them. If go like webo, ask go on. Sister Grad, this way they do money. Now and I carry that money, go with princess. Now they collect that money from her, they can't give me arrow. Now go on, be want give it take the money, make it give me arrow. Princess collect, give me arrow. Mama Grad, this way they do money for train station for them. He see money, he change her. Oh, but the money, that's how you have to say that. Go ask, that is my first land where they buy. Money where I carry for Libya enter abroad. Now I take buy my land. I not use Villa Corina money. Like when I dey work, cookie work, I not use them. Because I can look and say, where I want the money good. They don't give me ask for camp. And that is if we reach abroad, no, now you go find your way. I begin the hustle. Now me and I got to enter this abroad. No, sir. Now me I got to enter this abroad. I not send the papa or what I will send the mama. The next day I go to help people. They cook for kitchen. I put them and say, Mama, I be caterer. I feel work for Mr. Beast for Nigeria. All this kind of thing. Now I say, hey, what do you feel? I be cook fried rice. I be cook jollof rice. I be not see where not be cook. They can't give me a try. This is why they thought so now me and my God that come. With the inside house, I will leave her for inside house because I not send the papa. Last I tell the work for 1 week free of charge. Now princess, but could not ask her. Now I camp now a day. That if I they talk, I coin name. Becky, I want to tell you I tell also. I don't depend on man. Ima winning shago. Then the princess will testify for this city. Go on will testify for this city. Everybody will testify for this city. Ima bashawo. And now waiting they know me put, now they still know me put today. Now waiting they make they arrest me. Now the business why they me introduce my husband give put for this drug business. Because that was my agility for Nigeria. Ima bashawo Becky. I did camp here in our labor for that they give me contracts. A contract, 4 months contract, and you hear me. And not hear me. 6 months, and you hear me. I spend a renew, eh? Not renew, eh? In my bashawe one day. That money was going to my father's account. My salary was going to my father's account. As go on. I can't tell me I want my salary my father account. My father account for Nigeria. I was not. I even said I never open poster. I never get back for abroad, but I get documents. That money was going to Nigeria. Becky, in my bashawe one day. As the setter say, he never ready to born. Me myself say I not go born because why I don't already get 2 children. And I'm fake. I don't depend on man. No sir today. I see the talker. He hold me a lot. I don't own no sir. Becky, this is the time for you to stand as a woman. Don't depend on man. Hustle. Man go follow you. I swear. Man go respect you when you dey hustle. Steve Isaac, Jamie, where they are lazy youth. Lazy youth. Now Jamie B. Now you can't go there. Because the man not they work. Where they winner, what kia. That is what you want. When man look the winner, so far what I make kia una ke Franci. The Italy from Italy not the Jamie. Ani adegi ani aswa. Aswa metieni yae. Aswa. Now you're not Jamie. A Jamie what we are also deport. A value when I are total. Bega boy. Where no game of Fiario very soon. Why they no good the barrier go the way our pocket picker. That pocket picker we fed they do for ring road. Who they all bini who the way aswen who da oji e yaro wobo. Oh okay. Ashawo a bawi where people they plan to come out. Now you they plan to enter University of Roadwork. Thank you, mommy. Thank you. God will bless you. My peanut down. It be come I just talk. Where people do graduate, where people they resign for University of Roadwork. Where you register where you like University of Roadwork, where it's a social media. Where to make you delete this video? Oh, Becky, this video where I post on my platform yesterday. Where to make you delete them? You delete the video. Where you see say the video, it don't already reach our hand. You can't go repost her again. About where me 1K view within a video. 1K view. About where me and then if you what did make you fair delete her before? You post that video yesterday. Then you can't do many video can't put on top. So that make they say I said the video don't take. Becky, your platform at that video was not there. But when you can't see why you they fear? Becky, why you they fear? A video where when they are deleted this video. No, you deleted it. You shock, say ask arrest this year. Or shock you way. As you see, I said the video don't they go viral. You can't go repost it again for your Facebook. And at TikTok. Now the video there, you delete her for TikTok. For your man, they not see her. You delete her for your man, they not see her. When you see say I don't repost her, well let the boy post her again. For Facebook. See how useless you are. See how useless you are. Maye.
Good morning, my love. Thanks to God for your platform.
Oh, good morning. Thank you, ma.
Father, my daughter.
Egbe wayo, mommy. Egbe wayo.
Good call it. Becky, no, we want to make a kabom.
Hey, Messi, ayo.
That is thanks for yesterday with this I take care. Where this is my said do me that nonsense. No, carry the wickedness come on. You understand?
Okay, now you be the woman. My father talked yesterday.
Well, what the best that because what is that? My deserve respect.
I saw.
If family member no one like baby go. When you say that woman do me that something, you can call a woman based on where we be no man understanding. I can not calling if I'm not calling it. I'm not cheating by my own name, no energy. But this I know for this defense. Otherwise, which time you come and start this notice? I go to follow up for law. I can the way right now the figure and no way we mother study. Otherwise, there's no way to notice now. Show you what said any kindness to a game of the detail. There's a remaining way with a nakedness. This woman, he won't lie to your papa head, but to God be the glory. Where a picture of Makaya, when near your internet, because I don't understand the internet. You understand it? A picture of no arrow.
Okay, who was that?
And that very good day, they say me I'll be friends there one thing or the other, we will talk, you understand? And I don't know, even though Wahala, fracking, I'm going to Becky, I'm going to none of the ball and the horror. Understand it? Well, Mammy, what I will say of Papa to her, Mammy, what I say.
One master, the Ramajo. One next time.
You understand me, my sister? The one like for your papa, suppose that if teacher not there under, no? Maybe you talk to your daddy again. So to God will make you.
Brother, one of these was said.
Don't call him another. There's a way to our no setting that. Who is the stage of wickedness? You know, if I know what no setting that day. You know what also a train of that day, at least they call for a white side, no? Yeah, you can be. Yes. Who will train of that day? Are you calling it? You say you go call me, send me and you go talk if you don't listen. Now, then I might want to call you red directly, then you will all come away, you want to me or one thing or the other. Then I can't get worried, no? You understand? You don't get worried. You know, if I want to go for all we answer, then let all right, don't send the teacher going. One year for feed them, no, where they don't keep a God in the group. But I don't know say the teacher going, the man has to away. You know, if I mention the teacher, yeah. Which is the time you said that is the blackmail this your father. With my picture. You understand me because this woman, he offends me, no? Maybe when I offend you, or maybe I thought to you the way we say no like, who come my way. Mira, we get them young people, my life or what in the together because we have here. Oh, my not lose here. Oh, my understanding. If I name you a personal lover, you know what you do through the days or your first pet or one thing or the other. That is a good because if I didn't make you like this, I did not to talk. Understand? You understand me? Oh, one just for put everything short. Oh, one here, where this internet telling the picture, you know, if I my vow, even like I'm a toilet, they will say, well, not be the first time, not be the second time. You understand? With the talk, they all say friends. You understand me?
Betrayal. Remember betrayal no. Done.
But your father was angry with me, which is that very day. When you start to do all this stuff, you know, man, me not say I didn't come up for tell when you say this woman is up me.
Becky.
Wait, say blackmail your father there.
So sorry, Sha.
Even the future of fit that me that what. I think the only thing we say she tell me, that is the hot there. Because me myself, as they look, you understand me, as they love and like or one thing or the other, maybe they bring topic where we say, I like, you understand? Whom we love and like you, but right from time they follow your father. You understand me? Just everything, maybe I can make a talent behavior or take manaria. But the let's see what we say, prayer, what we say, I pray for her. You know what, but they are by a rock and charge the owner. The only thing, truth of God will make me, I swear with the thing what we say I love part for my life, which is my children. You understand? You know what? Sorry, now not bad. Maybe we cannot or one thing or the other, do or one thing or the other. That kind of thing will come up for a mouth. It's calling Francis, not delete, may not public, may not well as their mother standing. You know, when they were telling them, oh, man, no calling me, they don't say the respect me. They don't say, well, you know me well, I cannot be that kind of person. Or what to do. Tell me, I can't make later. Thank God for that man's life. Say, if your picture show for my so that man not for you know, 59.
You know, 59 now. Hey, Becky, okay. But you yourself, where met you. How you go come out, you go naked. We no say Becky na betrayal.
Then I can't see saying so. You understand? Then I wear it because if I offend you or what, if I'm away, sorry, not go hard me to tell you. Or see that thing is removed for your mind. You understand? Because as the person say, "Becky, do me something." Never but I know they put they forgive. You understand? Maybe that thing really hurts me well.
No problem, ma. Me want come for us. No problem. I talk small. I want come for us because. Becky, beg agbowe. Omo nu weti osu we. He trusted you. Otie we wa go a video call. We ya you screenshot somebody. Will they Jamie where you don't go mama nora ass? Where Jamie now what's we manager where godfather who where? What's we manager? Because mama nora no go gree me you tell you ass. With the wild screenshot say patch or you are not trusted. Me I go my papa ass. Yeah, kunwe baby say you want guy who kunwa guy a def you a studio or a studio or a studio or he has something because me, if I get opportunity to catch my papa, if I get opportunity to reach my papa house, if I get the opportunity, where I reach my papa house, yeah, mama day. Kunwe studio, he a def you bedi. Kunwe bedi, he a def you kunwanga anywhere. I got say ceremony and you go pan on woman. Because why? If you like, make it screenshot. Me no care, mama, papa. I will be free. Get where you go. You will be free. As my grandmother be so, if I go your house, I swear, me will not the wear clothes they sleep. Because why? My body don't carry on. His body don't carry me. We are not doing godfather and godmother on social media again. I go naked, I go sleep. For my godmother side though. For my godmother, I go naked. If it's not house. That house comfortable you be. But any other place, I cannot do it. It make it. Even my own papa and my mama will born me. If I go there, it me hear cake be. Yeah, it me a total when I ruin. I swear, if you know somebody, I get kong bava, I get zuo bava. If I go Nigeria today, say I go my papa house. Say I did the one for pay my bread. If me out when I ruin. If me hear out. I could remove any me. If my papa and my mama give me food, I no go eat. I swear. If me hear king like I be stranger. Udo wa bawane omane wayalele. Let my godmother now. I swear to God. I swear. May I get the opportunity to go visit my godmother. All you children go pursue them. Both of you, all you children go pursue them. May they go to their room. Me and my mommy want sleep. Yeah, are you boy here? I want put F for his chest. I want knickers. I want sleep. You fit go Nora house? You fit go Mama Nora house? No, you are not trusted. We're not screenshot him here. Mama Nora, where they use fit at the snappy children. Where you run away, you're not for your snapping here. Your own best friend, the quick talk show. If you feel record them for say on a meet one and say on a claim so on a day. Madam, you don't need to trust presenter. Even me, you don't need to trust me. You don't need to. Whoever you are trusting, say, where you they do video call, you can't naked. Not trust me, oh my God. The girl I feel want to. You see my papa. Anybody that come from my papa's side, my godfather's side, I know they even press record. Where that we see, tell me what you want, tell me. I don't record down, but everything will tell me was wrong, was bad. Even my husband was in the paro. I don't record down. Because what I do, now my papa friend. My papa friend. If I record down, that means I'll feel record my godfather. Yes. If I feel record my godfather friend, that means I'll feel record my godfather. Yes. Oh, like this woman now, where my godfather know like a friend, he can't call me. I record that. That means I feel record my godfather. Trust not there. Now make if anybody call me, I be your papa friend. I know the record, but I the record though. But anything that has to do with my godfather, anything my godmother, and they are said they for call, they come me. I know say like Edawisi is my godfather. Now you type friend. I'm not bored. If I feel record Edawisi, I feel record my godfather. Yes, that is the truth. You don't need you presenters, you not commenters all this fast. I'm not need to the trust presenters. Una no need to the trust presenters. See Becky life today. Ogi use lesson. For one Peter to John, for John to Peter. Imagine since when my godfather tell leave am. You know how many boys when they enter that mountain of fire come outside. If you will see come outside, they go say this one my baby. Who guy? Who will not call you? Who will not just say you not boy? Who Eddie, you go carry Becky come out, Gabby. You go stand for my front, say this one are my guy, this one are my babe. See, Gabby, the ever I'll tell you who were Zua. Would that go well or Zua? Who were not be one or two? Who were not come? Who were then you can't represent her to your mother or to your family. Say this is my father. Oh, who? No can introduction. You know that for every or my say 1 month, I be 3 months. Or my say 1 month. I'm not the better. You're not book. You're with Torino. I'm not book. You're with Torino. Kevin, I feel what today. Then you go say, this is my babe. Ogon buwa bijwe bae. Kevin ogon ragbo bijwe bae. Who bring you? If you are my junior brother Kevin, it will be because I not say you are a small boy. Kevin, if you introduce Becky to me, say, sister, this one is your brother, this one is my babe. You think I can't fetch you out, Kevin? I fetch you out. That your hand, not better. That your hand. I go and fire you and I get you. All your picture, I found your picture. I see the mark. That's the same mark. Where they your hand, where you take the raw breast. I go for and I fetch your family out. When I meet business, I meet business. Becky, I think say you want to come my city. Why don't be na kokode? Why don't be na kokade? What you make you run for my city? I tell you say my city na my kaba. Torino, Asti, Alessandra na my kaba. Na me get the Zoom. You don't mess with me. A girlfriend follow everywhere. I don't go use you dump, not be lie. They go use you dump. This your guy, I'm baby. I should be the way you do yesterday. You don't want to answer. Why you gonna answer? Oh, go to go with Kevin. Oh, I'm going to win ye. Oh, I'm going to reply. Oh, go be Kevin. Oh, go be family log. Oh, me I be van of Nigeria. Go be yawa. You can't reply before. Becky, fear will let you come out. Can't reply. Even people that come in yesterday say Becky not go come out. I say not go come out. You want that? You want that? More you they come out, more everything about the guy family go to ball out. Oh, me I'll go fetch the guy come outside. You go say one can reply me. Or you won't reply my godfather. Oh, go back, go out. You know the blue face. That is the only thing you can do best. You go your pull live video, go your silent. That is it. Becky, no, if you all live video can't reply me or you want to reply my godfather, go be here, go be. No, go not the key Becky, mama, go be here heavy. If you want to reply me before, they don't burn your mama away. Mama Kevin, or swear ya ma pure a Becky la don't do it, but do we have to go me. That is the only silence. Just they do that video, you shut up your mouth. But I will beat you. I will beat you. You walk on the clear say, and let get talk. I will not reply them. Really? When you come my house, come fetch me. You dread my husband. You dread down. You shock. I just slapped your god wife. He shocked you. You the grace. Now how mad they mess with. I'm not babuna aga. You don't why? All the plan will not play against me. Then now you will know. Oh, where's Zaga? Your pikin, we're supposed to deal with you, not deal with you again. And now I'm RIP. If they put RIP for my pikin head, you value your pikin and you value Bola pass your pikin. You dead Jenny. Why you not go your godfather house? Mama not go green. Because he not trust you. He not trust you. Wow, soon. Oh, I go tell Adam. Better not go and know the other day. Why go? All the old call when people call for my godfather platform. Nobody talk good about you. Not be say they hate you. That is your character. Anywhere there for the public for the day, your name will be mentioned there. Say hi evil. Why my name not ready for there? Why my name not come out for all this zaga ziggy ziggy? Because why? I don't depend on anybody. I only depend on my husband. Anywhere for the do any saga, your name must come out. How betrayer you be. How betrayer you be. Oh, I'm going to the reply. Oh, go boy. More you reply, more evidence about this useless Kevin with the family, they come out. More you know, they come outside. My girlfriend, they talk and say, make Kevin call now. Daddy, what did Kevin want call you for? When Becky, they carry my godmother family, the saga, he bet my godmother family. He said they will carry a family come outside. That's what my father said. I was like, oh, when this idiot, the saga my godmother, the saga is family. My godmother family called Becky. So, why you will allow this idiot, Kevin, say, make him call you? Ogongbe. Ogongbe, bene na years no ye. The years we say day, Ogongbe, you are. Ogongbe, no, Ogongbe, is your wisdom. I mean, no matter where, other years, no matter where, Jamie. Are you mad? If you want bank court, go to Nigeria, go bank court, go school. God will call you, you are rugged. When person not they talk, doesn't mean say he be fool. If you not get be record, say yes, he be record is like as he claim. You for don't know who my husband be. He dey craze. I have fun. My husband not there for Curtis. He's even when useless people from my city, when they confirm my husband say, now school for one with you. Now my husband say, make they hold their day, he not come up, come do other Curtis. You dey craze. Why you bomb me Curtis with Jamie for there? What the like of Bugawa who was war? Ogon Belaga Yezi. Benjamin. People from Nigeria, if they don't come like this, if they do their direct, you don't fit near there. You not go fit near there. Don't be say you want to come find these stars they look there. The Jamie now why you be a nyage a yeze. You dey craze? Jamie, who pin a nyage a Kevin or Kevin no gear? I guess for Nigeria, fear no let you start to hear the day. When they do their generation, I make what they call the bomb akiko, our kika will fair, another abami and yo. If you see me with John and if you see them like this, you don't go lose their face. That's why they tell them, before they tell them, they say, if you want read no say you be read Curtis, go job for Aunchi. Now tell my husband for school. Oh yeah, I say yes, you are welcome. And if you go to school, you graduate for that school, come outside. You are born, you are rugged. You go school for Aunchi. And you be Curtis. And you finish school. My dear, make the command beret for you. Why are they by there? You wait on let you Jamie. Why are they want to Chris? Oh, boy, la webe. A Curtis, I book on social media. Now somebody later say my husband see the car color way be. Oh boy, I fell now. I tell her say I'll go report you for Gbalegbe. You the craze? When the person live for Nigeria, call hustle. They point my husband say you know for Nigeria. I said, guy, fam. We know they do Curtis. Why you remember why you have fun for me? Wazua. I will burn away Curtis. Another mass land waiting for the hustle. All this one at Curtis. I want to know how you wait to let you. Ya bama yezi. We wait to let you. We be Jamie we rani. What the like the time we Curtis in you? Shut up! Before they use that word say, if they want join court, man, I go Nigeria. And I'll go and with university for there. If you not graduate, you not come and they cut, but make them remove beret for na be cuttings. What this here? What bell? I want bear no get. You be cuttings. Your cuttings not to cover you. For night you know the slippers. Who let you worry? Daddy, this one not be strong, man. This one are June. A June na hina. A June ekevi. A June no. So my people, it's like I'll come back 10 dollars sharp. If you're on Anita Shemba, I want come top put. If you're Anita Bega Bua, yeah, get like Bua eh? If you're so now Anita you the saga. Anita when I do bestie, we will not get that come Italy. You know, so now come to shine me. Well now we bestie. Well now we pepe there. At the end of the day, Anita will give Bena. Anita now we in a pastor, family in a pastor. Or I pray. At the end of the day, who will give me a bishop? Biajo debo Anita. Wake I see your video where it does say, if you want to be a second wife, I will drag it in our Anita. Anita hina. Area bonita. Area you was say. If he can be a second wife, that is what you are be praying. Anita, there is power in this tongue. I will come out for you. Don't wish to be a second wife. Me, I say no, you don't back it. For that's an idea, man. Me, I say no, you from Victor. I dey talk am. I talk and say, as I get 2 children, I not go marry ma. Wait there for born pikin. Mommy God, you dey laugh. You dey laugh, no laugh oh. Na mistake I make. Me say no be from Victor. I can never pray that prayer for myself. I dey talk and say, as I don't forget 2 children, if I want marry, I not go marry ma where they for born. Yes, I dey talk am. Yes, people might say, you not forget pikin. Where you not go marry because there is power in this tongue. You know why? I know every reason. I say, the reason why I not feel marry ma where they for born. I not feel marry am because of my children where I want born. If you dey reason something, you go reason your children. Not just they do something alone. Not just say because of love. Who you are there at the end of the day, your children will suffer. Even when my husband told me, I ask him. I tell her, say I get pikin. No, he said no problem. But when I ask him whether he get pikin, he said no. I say you sure? I say if you get pikin, I not go marry. Oh. He said, but you don't feel born. I say yes, because of my children future. I'm not greedy. I don't feel so because of love. At the end of the day, my children go they suffer. No, I therefore born good and fine. I don't feel marry ma where therefore born. Even no my ex no sir, he never born. Not get one picky for Nigeria. There is power on the tongue. You feel say selfishness because of love, my dear. That man where you want born for, I get another picky before your picky go read what you want to read. All the children don't read what the picky where don't born for us, I don't read what you want to read. So therefore, I know the book. Lie. Because me, I know myself, so I be also woman. I be woman where they follow man, they plan. If you get one stone, I go use and get 1st stone with you. That is me. So I know myself. That is the reason why I say I not go marry man where don't born. I know who I be. Yeah. I know who I be. That is the reason why I say I not go marry man. Wait, don't fit bomb. I not fit plan with man finish. And at the end of the day, if picky or call a rich, waiting me don't suffer put. Because why? If you know yourself, my dear, you stand by your word. I be woman where they make man they progress. Not beside the talk me I isn't get body. My isn't proud. No. It dey my body. I say the man is not open up. If the man is not open up, why are they yeke? Not be lie. Why are they yeke? But if you be man where they open up for person like me, where I don't open, you be sincere person like this, my husband, my dear. Before you get almost about 8 hours, you yourself not go know. You know, so I talk for this live video say, if I want to use my husband and build ass, I for don't use and beat my own ass. If I be that kind of woman, will be conning. I for don't beat that. I'll get this ass arrest. I'll go the build ass. And this is what my parents want. Yes, now what did they want? I get the money. My husband's salary come. Now me they give. Not be my man. His salary. Now, the only money where the day account is 200 or 300. Now I go day account. The rest of the money, oh boy, yaje. Yes. If I want build us for my house, my head, I go build us and not go no. The salary will call like this. Now me know where it will go. Now me know where this one will go. Now me know where this one will go. Now me know the one where me go save on my own. In case if he brought tomorrow, I go see bring come outside. That is me for you. And my husband no say, I not there for material things. I not there. Na raga they wear. But I know what I dey pursue. I know what I dey pursue for my children. That is the reason why I say, I not fit marry man wait there for born. I don't feel suffer with you. I just plan with you finish. At the end of the day, your first son will carry better ass. No! I know what I'm doing because why? I know myself. I be woman of where they hustle. I feel use one stone to get 5 beds. That is me for you. Because I be hustler right from time. For Anita to come outside and say, hey, I wish I could be a second wife. Oh, pastor, Becky. The capash, the rebel. Karen, see, Anita, you get lost, say not be my mama. Now you go video like that. Cool well. Why? Who have you yore? That make I tell you, I say, not be all person when I see for market, they are humans. Now my parents, I tell no, say, not be all people when they work for a market, that they no man. That's why I dey even dey pray. May one of una go my papa house. Say no one go beat my papa. I go give una the address. You think say that all people where they say market they are humans. Now see, they talk I not believe, but I use my parents ote no. I say, oh, imagine my mama they go market. Now not beg beka. Because not be all people where they work out for a market. You feel so that they will leave you. You will come out. As son, he ain't the one your way. You get knock. Not be my mama. Where I can say you want to go my papa's. You level here. I could bring my papa address. Come outside. You level here. Ina get address remain. Ina reladia. Wa here. If Eddie Oriomba no you go bazuwa, see my papa picture, see is away any giajo, agiamu. You need to go ask Eddie that question. Why he used that word? Person if he arrest he got son, mama, which is a no gay mama. A no gay mama. If he arrest her, he said because he do mad traffic. See, this is my mama will be but madam of human traffic. Ma edisi my papa and my mama picture. Or one agiamu. There, that parable. You need to ask Eddie. I said, Bewo. Anita, you get not say, not be my mama. Eh? When you hear Bani, who are you? Where no get they donate money, give my papa for a platform. I say, no get. Mark my word. Why me a quack balegbe? You think I'm joking? Oh, quack balegbe is one soon who waga, what is soon? And no get mammy no yet to go on ladian. Even when Vera call if you talk for social media, say, hey, no get police, they come in ask. Hey, no get quiet, you no talk. Hey, no get no talk. Because I wanna Eddie gonna if they do it, there's a pepper me has that laugh. If I send my mama money like this, I know they see any problem. Only Ogbalegbe. At least somebody they see problem now, another problem with or not, even though not be Ogbalegbe, but he go down. My own Ogbalegbe. Ogbalegbe. I call it no gay. I come out for that. I just say money give my mama oh. If they think I they do it, they don't pay me. Or they na evil. Umami kwa Ogbalegbe. Let there you. Oh, I go with Dota with social media. If you hear you, I dey come analyze your video because I get where they go. You understand? I get where they go. So a video where you have to analyze it very soon because I dey come up for us. It's easy to be a worker. So this is 100 euro. 100 euro. See where my husband for the work. You see now the name be this one way for the work. This is 100 euro. This is 10 euro. Now my husband work, please they forgive them. Now we all so on 50 euro that they give them. But for them, my husband will be couple na 100 euro they give them. A couple era wa me hina. Couple na couple. Where here the card in here always pays now 50 euro that they give. You understand? But the people where they use knife, where they be professional. If I borrow, make the DJ goat as a girlfriend where they work for there. So make it ask the person how much they give him. He borrow, make it your ass. He go tell us na 50 euro. But my husband na 100 euro they give him because now they be the couple. And they be the boss because and they be professional for there. So that's what I say I get where they go. Because I don't know. They say na Esologa and cope. Now they carry and so they go cope or Esologa. I don't know which one I will go. I want to go use the money there. You understand? So that's why they tell you say I want to come up for us. So my people, I rest my case. For you, yo, I see video way you do. So when you and Anita, the guy that they fight me, Ivierio is my friend. Yeah. Ivierio is my friend. Anita was not my friend. The time when they beat KO family, now somebody now make me know Anita. Even when the gay person won't even contribute, that is, he won't even put me and Anita for conference, I tell her, say no. The woman forced me because me and Anita will not be alive because of Borogbe. My spirit not carrying. Yes. Ivierio was my friend. Yeah. Jealousy. Now push Ivierio go where he did. He come my friend with Anita and want to do pepper me. Do pepper there with me. I not said to my papa. Ivierio was my friend. When they go Nigeria, they call me. When he reach Nigeria, he go call me. Yeah, Ivierio was my friend. Yeah, when people they thought say no see picky born, he send me he pregnant pictures. We take gebele. He send her for me. What it happen? He say man not they call Becky. He say man not make friend with Becky. For this old presenter, nobody will tell me what to do. You understand? That the way he said the family go for that bola. This is this say Vierio. Me, I don't know say Vierio the family go for that bola. You understand? When I go introduce break, he say special announcement. Becky na my godfather girlfriend. Now there Vierio start to the verse for me. And me, I don't even know say if Vierio they fall in love with my godfather. I never know. If you are call me, this is where you dey talk so. You let your godfather. I never know what they happen for social media. They like social media na. Me no sunua. Knowing to me that if Vierio was one dying for my godfather. When I come say na Becky the friend my godfather at that time, if Vierio begin the verse. Men na me men na jivo. I be your friend, you not tell me what they chop you for inside body. I don't know say they fall in love with my godfather. The one where I know and breaker come outside, you will hungry with me. That one not serious you. We see they play, they go. You they tell me, say, man, not they talk about Becky again. Then you gotta go back. No, you don't need to tell me that. If I want to stay clear for somebody, I will stay clear for somebody if the person hurts me. Not you. If I they do friendship, you don't need to control me. That is me for you. When me and you go in a separate way, nobody know on this social media. Nobody know on this social media say, me and you get quarrel. I bullshit you. What do? You go make friend with Anita. Because you know say Anita was still my friend. Not my friend. Now one guy, that one lady, I don't want to make sure I don't even know his name again. Whether they fair KO family that time. Now he introduced me to Anita. When you want to introduce me to Anita, he want to conference me. I don't agree. My spirit don't carry Anita. He was forced. He forced me. He begged me. I remember when I nominate queer. If my godfather will not do me anything, I feel insulted for this social media before. And they can carry my page. I can't go wrong meet her. I go wrong go meet her. Only Ajimodia or Bononya a day. Destiny can be delayed, but it can never be changed. Who go believe say na me go be my godfather? That is na me go be daughter today. I saw that man to stoop off. But when my page go, a no girl cannot do anything. The same page where I think insult my godfather that year. At the end of the day, the same man now see go meet. That day. I said that day I will never forget. It come in a ballon, man. I call the feel conscience from my mind. The way my godfather think answer me, not be like person where I don't feel insulted. He didn't even know whether I don't feel insulted before. Because he embraced me. I tell him my problem. He said, you'll put on that page. If I remember Enogi, I can never leave you. Never. Never. If that can man, he forgive me. Not beside I beg her, say, forgive me, that I go back. Oh, I need something from him. He see be like say, God still use her, say, this girl, he needs help. Not only help. Because now waiting go fit comot me for that depression. I was not. If I tell you say this my page, they don't tell me my monetizer. If na lie, make a show now. It don't they go a month. Say my show now. They don't say me say set up your monetization. Who cares? See now, I might show you here. More than notice say are they like are you borrow or they make maths. You see set up. When I see everything, see all this other. See I did not. I know they use Facebook money. I dey wipe my time. When time reach, I will set up. I will set.